Hey, it's Frank from 40 Honeybee, and I'm here to inspect this hive here. This hive was one of my more recent splits, not my latest, but like the second round of splits. July 18th there was a mated queen laying. It's July 30th now, so I haven't seen this box for the better part of 2 weeks, so I'm going to have a look at it, make sure it's doing well. Basically with the whole yard now, I'm going to spend the next 7 to 10 days figuring out which one of the final splits, which are all over here, which one of the final splits are queen right, which ones are not, combining to what the final sort of bee yard will look like, and then start equalization. And I'm also going to take some honey to have as well. So that's the plan for now. I'm going to have a look at this hive, make sure it's doing all right at 40 Honeybee. Okay, so I'm going to get the veil on. These it's another gorgeous day in paradise here. It's got to be 28 degrees, which is about 83, 84 Fahrenheit. And another one of these, you know, just fantastic summer days that we've had really for about 8 weeks in a row now. Just some rain overnight, but just fantastic bee weather. Let's make sure the smoker's going. My bees this year have been really good. I get stung, but overall they are really well-behaved bees. This is a small young colony, so I expect it just to be busy growing and not nasty. Let's see what we got here. I have to say overall I'm not happy with my own lids here, so yeah, there's moisture in here, which this moisture I'm sure is coming from the actual hive itself, but it just doesn't seem to deal well with moisture as well as the telescoping lids. Well, it's a good number of bees there, check it out. Just a wee bit of smoke. Make sure the smoker's still going. Okay, so it does look very much like a relatively new split. So it's got those kind of 3 core frames that came from the split. Check for the queen here, don't see her. I am prepared to mark this queen if I do see her. As a matter of fact, I'm going to get the marking stuff a little closer, just in case. There's some decent activity at the entrance. But again, if this queen was just laying, just starting to lay on the 18th, and today's the 30th, really what we'd like to see here is more drying out of comb, which we don't on this one. And we want to see some brood starting to be in here. So this frame, they're drying out. Oh, and of course we want to see the queen, just because. Very quiet bees so far. This looks like a honey frame. And it is. So this is going to be an unmarked queen, so I'd like to see her and see what she's up to. Not seeing any eggs in these, but they've got nectar on the top, as you can see, and then they're leaving the space on the bottom to lay, so that is a good sign. Here pretty much just full of nectar. Dark bees, these ones. A lot of bees that are a lot more black than they are yellow. Just looking for the queen. And eggs and all that stuff. Got some pollen here in the top right corner there, see that? No eggs in these cells that I can see. Okay. Again, almost 100% honey frame. Oh no, we got larvae here. So we've got larvae and eggs. These are 3 or 4 day old eggs to the right of the frame. Let's see if you can see some there. See them in there? And then to the left, you do have larva that's probably approaching, 5-6 days old there. Let's see, oh yeah, okay. And now we've got cat brood. So definitely a queen that's laying. Let's see if we can find her now. I don't have my Madeline here to find her. She was an ace finding those queens, I'll tell you. Oh, there she is right there. Oh my gosh, big dark queen. Look at her. Look at her right there. See her? Heading towards the top. Let's see if we can mark her. Seems pretty calm. Let's see if she stays that way. Okay, where have I got the stuff? Where did I put it? Oh, there it is. Okay, let's grab her first. There she is. Okay, let's just get her back in and safe. We know that she is doing her thing. And this is one hive that now will start to give some more resources so that they can expand the population and their honey production a lot quicker. So this hive's doing all right. We'll mark down that today we had brood and a laying queen. So that's it for this one. Thanks for joining me at 40 Honeybee.